Hey guys, Bernardo here with G-Rod Grills. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is the first time you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any content. Today, we're going to be doing a tri-tip roast. We're going to take that roast, we're going to season it up and smoke it till it gets to about 115 internal, and then we're going to reverse sear it over an open flame using a Pit Boss grills. Stick around and we'll show you how it gets done. Alright, so we're going to trim this up for a reverse sear. I got this from my local butcher here in Winnipeg. Pretty trimmed up already. I'm just going to kind of clean up some of this kind of thicker fat pieces here and silver skin around the back. I'm using a Cutco knife. It's a super sharp boning knife. This is excellent for any of your trimmings. That's pretty much it. We're ready to go here. Normally I would use Worcestershire sauce, but I'm currently out, so I'm going to be using just some hot sauce. And this one I'm using the Cholula original sauce. The heat's not going to come through at all. It's just going to help adhere some of the rub. You probably don't even need to if it's already a little bit moist or a little wet. You probably don't need to do that. Here I'm using Cosmo Q's Texas beef as my first layer of flavor here. So yeah, we're going to use this Texas beef, and again, just liberally season all the way through. And that hot sauce just helps the rub stay on. Doesn't have to be perfect, just want to make sure it's uniform. Then I'm going to be using Whiskey Bent the Grind. This is a coffee-based rub from Whiskey Bent. All of the rubs are awesome. I like this one a lot on beef. Alright, so we're going to put down this tri-tip. There it is. So that guy is going to go in. Now we're going to put the probe in the thickest part of the meat, and it's going to go in until an internal temperature of about 115. And I'm going to pull it off, and I've actually got a Pit Boss in the back that I'm going to sear it on. I'm just going to open a sear plate and then sear it on that. It's working, doing other things right now, but since this one was already running and this one's at 250 right now, so we're going to smoke this one at 250 till it gets, like I said, to 115, and then I'm gonna put it out back, take it out back, and sear it over the open flame. That's it. Alright, so my thermometer's gone off at 115, so we're gonna pull this guy off and we're gonna let it rest. She's a warm one. I'm gonna take her off, let it rest, and just lightly tent it with some foil, and then we'll be ready to sear it on a Pit Boss flame sear. Alright, so here we go. We're ready to sear. I've got the Pit Boss set to 350. I'm going to just throw that in for a couple minutes on each side and let her go. Here we go. So it's been almost 2 minutes on this side. Time to flip it over, and we'll give it another 2 minutes on the other side. And when we're done here, it should take about, I don't know, maybe another 10 minutes or so of a rest. 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to carve it. Alright, so here we are. We seared this for 2 minutes per side using the Pit Boss flame sear to get this awesome charring on both sides. And then we let it sit for about 10 minutes, and now we're ready to carve it up. You want to make sure you're always cutting against the grain to make sure that it's as tender as possible when you're eating it. It's kind of tricky on a tri-tip because you'll get the grain running one way for about 3/4 of it, and then on the back side it'll run the other way. And there you have it. So a perfect medium rare tri-tip roast that's been reverse seared. This likely could have sat a little bit longer for rest. We rested it for a total of 10 minutes. I probably could have gone 15, maybe even 20 minutes to make sure that all the juices reabsorb back onto the meat. But that's okay, we're going to eat this right away anyway, so it'll still be nice and juicy and super tender. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to make sure you don't lose out on any content. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.